How's it going, everyone? This is a quick tutorial video on how to fix your Discord if you're stuck on a gray or black screen. I've seen this happening a few times and it's a really easy fix. So, for example, if you open up Discord and you're just getting a static gray screen like this, there's a really simple solution. So start by closing out of Discord and then opening up your run command. So that's window key plus R. And all you have to do down here is type this in. %, appdata, and %. Very easy. %, and hit OK. That'll open up this folder. And in here, you want to find the Discord folder. Click on that, and all you have to do is trash the Discord folder. And once that's deleted, you can go ahead and try to open up Discord again. And you should see that the app will update quickly. That's just because we cleared our cache folders, and you may be asked to log back in, but from there, you should be good to go. Discord should be working again, and the problem should be solved. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Like the video if it was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more, and we'll check you back in the next one.